Okay.
Just had to record.
We're going on a cabin trip. Me, the wife, the two kids.
Don't forget Emily.
Yeah. Elena, where you at?
I'm back. I'm back.
เฮ้ยหมูฉีดเลย
Kalunga.
ไปตรวจสอบนะ
Bây giờ nó trổ lên đu và tiếp bé bây giờ Hayward Wisconsin trong xe này bây giờ phun xí luôn bây giờ xí cùng ok lúa và sập tí nó bây giờ tôi cho này sai nè
nhớ rồi. Oh, yeah. Oh, what the hell, dude?
Did you make a run already?
Yeah, I went and got some fireworks.
It's all cabin, huh?
Yeah. You guys are a little late. We already had some fun.
Wait, you didn't get Chi to wear his shirt?
For the public.
I know.
Can you put it in your pocket?
You guys, we wanted you guys. We didn't. Oh,
Try
it's
out
not
your
here. We were making a joke. We were like, you know that TikTok video where the guy showed up their own.
ซักก่อนเหรอ
Can I go see a picture? Honey, I wanted you to wear that shirt because all the guys showed
โอ้
up.
ให้เกิดชนน้อย
Like this is like no privacy. Really? Are you okay up here? There's no privacy.
Okay, I need no privacy.
Are you sure? Okay.
Now, do you need privacy? Do you need privacy?
啥都不晓得里面花钱。我这拿去了。啥都不拿去。根本是身上这个重了。
不叫那也请个路呢。Where's Elijah?
I don't know. what he's doing. Daddy, just that wet. Your hand's gonna get all dirty. Daddy! Daddy! Done! Get out!
Okay. See? Welcome.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hey guys! We're at a cabin today and we're living here for the night.
Soon you're gonna have one like that, Skylar. You're not going up to her. We don't need that one.
Hey, we're at a cabin and we're sleeping for 2 days a week.
Guys,
You can't eat it like off the grill like right away. You know, you gotta.
Yeah, that's so cooked and tender.
Yeah.
See, it's a really tough meat.
It's like pork belly, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, it's this part right here.
y'all ready? Hey, y'all gonna put some money on that?
What's that?
Huh? No, I brought mine.
Oh, damn. I didn't even bring
Oh, you
mine,
want
dude.
on the competition?
Yeah.
Oh,
Y'all
shit,
ready?
man.
Shit.
I don't got no cash.
That's the price?
Wow, like he wants to put money
No,
back.
Who wants,
Oh.
Bet
who wants
who's
to
gonna win?
Bet.
I say that our own wives can't vote for ourselves. Like they can't vote when we're voting against or when they like judging your dish.
So
So it's
they
only
just-
3 wives.
So they just can't see. Well, they shouldn't be present when we make it.
But my wife knows my recipe. and it's gonna benefit us because if she like hate me, she might like give me zeros, right? And then that'll drop my
Yeah.
average. But
Well-
if she really like
well,
me,
all the
she'll give me
wives
like
gotta
10s
vote.
for no
Well,
reason.
At the same time, all the wives gotta vote though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just your wife can't vote when it's your turn to get judged. So it's always just 3 wives.
Preston,
I think that's the
Press. What are you doing? Don't
Because
throw rocks,
it
dude.
works both ways, right? Like
Well,
again,
at the
if she
same
don't
time,
like
it's-
you, she can give you 0.
But at the same
You're
time,
gonna throw it
who
in the
knows?
water.
Maybe like Sean can outbeat you in this flavor.
I know, but yeah, that's
It's-
what I'm
it's-
saying.
yeah,
Like
it's
there's still
scoring-wise.
3.
Yeah.
There's still 3. I don't know. Because it's biased, right? Your wife's biased towards you.
Well, I don't know.
It could be a negative bias, it could be a positive bias.
Yeah.
So she can't
Because
vote.
she's been eating that kind of pepper all these years.
Maybe they just need to be blindfolded, man.
Yeah, we can do that.
They have to be blindfolded then.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Only make it fair.
yeah. If we want all 4 to vote, then
No, but
blindfold.
there's a parents bias too, right? Voting bias.
Oh
You
yeah,
gotta see it,
presentation.
right? Yeah, the presentation.
Well, they have to taste it first and look at it. I don't know.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. I don't know. Up to you guys. It's just my thought.
Doesn't matter.
Because I was like, if I piss off Panya tonight, then she'd be like, fuck you, man, and give me 0s tomorrow.
Just give her some good head.
Give her some good head.
Cool, thứ hai chẳng có bông. Cool, cái nào là cool.
Oh shit, you guys want to try my salsa right now, dude?
You salsa?
Made some or what?
I make some salsa and then I make some guac.
Oh, okay. I think nobody's got you too wrong,
Yeah.
Cái anh thấy có muốn cho mình gì à thôi. Muốn cho
Yeah, I locked it. No! Don't lock it!
huh? Well, okay, huh?
No, Daddy, I want candy. Mommy!
都 OK 啊。
There you got it.
โอ้ปิดตัวแล้วจ้า
You think we need that,
Oh, there you go.
Wow, I think his voice activated, dude. Like, turn off.
Okay.
Turn off. ตัวเฮ้
这个 box 使用啊，yeah.
เออ
哦，神神哦。
Yeah, because if
Yeah.
I plug it, you need to round that in the work.
一個多幾嘅 work。
然後就會處理咁多。我自己嘅 work 就會 check 人哋擺上先。
Oh.
哦。就是一個十。
You think it'll be okay?
Yeah, one towel.
Try it again.
No, but we need the ground, so.
No, you just don't have the other plug in it.
Yeah.
All from just
Oh, I see.
So they probably, this is probably a reason why they turn on. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
我到了。
Yeah, 個講嘅嘢 work。淨係有一粒多。Oh shit.
Just put it in the regular one.
I can't. 我呢個直接唔到啊。
Oh, maybe it's censored.
Yeah, you got a voice activated. Second.
On. On.
Turn off. Turn on.
Oh, it is. It is.
Turn off. Turn on. Oh! All this time, that thing was voice
See,
activated.
it's not about
Turn off.
safety.
Turn on. God. Yeah. No, you just voice activated. Turn off. Turn on. See?
Turn off.
No.
Why does it? We didn't even tell it to turn off.
Turn on. See?
Turn off. Turn off.
Whoa.
Stay on.
Turn off.
我的天，真的还对。
What is it?
emote. 真的
Dude, you're an idiot.
Such a jerk.
I thought that wire was broken.
You didn't notice what? You didn't notice. You didn't,
No wonder putting it to your look.
you didn't notice why I got the camera?
No, I'm.
You didn't notice why I got the camera?
Oh.
Like, it's not that funny,
I
right?
know, right? I'm like, why is this so funny to him?
Ah,
What did we
oh, it was on the kitchen counter.
Oh. Yeah, come on. Okay, so it's on now.
It's on
It's not voice activated.
Okay.
Let's go get to a Tom.
So, put it somewhere that you can find it later. You got that camera?
I got everything on camera.
I'm like, hey, you can really read his voice. Dude, I'm so done. I know, Two was laughing so hard. I'm like, this is not even funny. Why? I'm like, he must be feeling really good. Oh my god. It's so cold in here.
$2, man.
I got him. He said
Gee.
his voice activated.